What is up, YouTube? I'm sure as you can tell by the title or the thumbnail, this is not the way I was looking to start the journey here. But now that the market's closed, it's time to face reality and look at what happened today. Overall, today, uh, not very proud of how I traded. I was proud of my patience early. Um, Took a loss, took a win, and then kind of got chopped up, and that was the session. So take a little deep dive into it. This was the session here. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. For the most part, guys, we had a lot of this. A lot of sideways, a lot of chop. Didn't really get any big moves or any big trades that, would have been great. I guess here in Power Hour would have been great, but again, I only trade till 8 o'clock. Typically, there was one trade that if you watch the live trading, that I should have hit, and I was trying to get a part of it, and it was right here. I was trying to find it. My Ninja Trader froze, and yeah, I felt like it was a really good trade. We took the trade, or we'll tried to take the trade. Ninja Trader froze, and next thing you know, let's see, it was this long here. Tried grabbing that entry, using this as a stop. It was like a 7-point stop, targeting up here. It was like a 6R trade, and the trade played out beautifully well. Ninja Trader froze, didn't let me in until I believe this candle it unfroze, and then I scalped along out of the bottom of this range up here, so I got a piece of it. I also believe I tried to short this area right here. Didn't make a lot of sense in review after reviewing here. Reason being, um, we swept these lows right there. These lows were swept here, and I don't know if these lows were officially swept. I don't think they were. But we swept lows, grabbed liquidity, and then we're targeting upside liquidity. So buy side liquidity up here. And I got caught trying to chase it small size here. And yeah, and then we got the retest, tried taking this, didn't get it, and then I got chopped up in here. So that is basically it. I wanted to take a look here at the dashboard, and give me 1 second. Let's get this fitted right. So I want to take a look at the dashboard here. Obviously a red day today. Look at some of the numbers. One red day, profit factor is down, win rate is down, average win to loss rate is not ideal. Yeah, it wasn't a great start. Let's look at the trades here. I took 4 trades today. Loser, winner was break even here. Probably should have called it and tried to force some stuff right before I got off at 8. As you see here, took 2 trades in 4 minutes. That's not like me. I took my first trade an hour after the market opened. Second trade should have been right here and ripping that long. And yeah, 2 trades back to back like that, flipping, getting chopped up is really not like me. So it's slightly uncharacteristic. Taking note of that and moving on from it. Um, but yeah, I think that was really it. As far as the data goes, it was a red day. Went 1 for 4 on my trades. Could have walked away break even. Could have walked away slightly red. Instead, I hit my max loss on the day. It's gonna happen. Losing days happen. Losing trades happen. And at the end of the day, like I pointed out, the action itself just didn't warrant a lot of great trades. It is what it is. I should have limited my downside risk a little bit better. My red day should have been slightly smaller, is my main critique for myself. Let's take a look at the spreadsheet here. So we came into the day with a $50,000 balance. And then the account is now at 49,388. Meaning after commission and everything, we lost about 600 bucks, 612. It's down about 1.22% on the overall account, but of course, since we're using only the 2,500 for trailing, we are down about 20% of our trailing, which it's not the end of the world. It's day one. We'll be back better tomorrow. Trailing, we are in this yellow range where I'd say it's slightly cautious. We are at 1,800 in trailing. Realistically, should be losing $500 on a max red day. Would take 3 full bad days back to back to back to really do a lot of damage. and to blow the accounts. So it is what it is. I would prefer to get off to a better start. Just didn't, and that's fine. That's trading. It's very possible we have a really good rest of the week, and that's what I'm aiming to do. So that is kind of my day in review, guys. It was a red day. Went 1 for 4. Win rate was 25%. My win wasn't even that big, and got chopped a little bit. And yeah, come back tomorrow. Like I said, this isn't how I wanted to start the series. This isn't how I wanted to, begin everything. But at the end of the day, this isn't my trading highlights. This is a document of the trading journey. And that's going to have lows, it's going to have highs, it's going to have ups, it's going to have downs. It's going to have red days, green days, red trades, green trades, etc. Um, so yeah, that was day one. It's in the books. Rip that band-aid off, and tomorrow's day two, and I look forward to seeing you guys all there in the morning session. So, peace out, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.